Hey guys, Jeff here with FatKids Barbecue. Welcome back to another episode. Tonight, we're going to show you how to cook the perfect ribeye steak on the PK grill. We got the PK warming up outside with a little bit of, we use some charcoal briquettes by Kingsford tonight. We're also going to put some pecan wood chips in there because, well, why not? Wait till you guys see this guy. This guy is absolutely beautiful. That, my friends, is the perfect piece of meat. Looks like it's separating a little bit, but that's okay. It's going to separate a lot when we cut it up and eat this guy. So what we're going to do, you could just leave it as is, put a little salt, pepper on it, slap it on the grill, pull it off in about 15 minutes and you'll be living life perfect. Let's live a little large though. We're going to kick it up a notch. Who's that guy, Emerald? Isn't that what he says? Kick it up a notch? We're going to do that with some of the Traeger Prime Rib Rub. I just happen to really love this stuff, so it's going to go well. Even if you don't have a Traeger, even if you're not cooking on a Traeger, get yourself some of this Prime Rib Rub. We'll just put that on here. We do want this guy to sit out for a little bit. We want it to get, I don't know, I'm going to let it sit here for about 20 to 30 minutes on the counter so some of this will absorb and also the meat will warm up. Alright, that's perfect. Once our PK grill is warmed up, we'll get this guy out there. So we're out at our PK grill, and what we're going to do tonight is, since we get that beautiful ribeye inside, I decided that we had to cook this over charcoal. We have our chimney all set up and ready to go. Don't ever use lighter fluid. That just ruins your steak. Alright, so we'll let this guy do its thing and it'll be ready for us probably in about 15 minutes. We're putting some pecan chips on here just for the flavor. I want to get a little bit of that smoke flavor into the ribeye. What we're going to do is we're going to put our ribeye on with indirect heat. So we'll set it off over, the coals are off to the left and we're putting the ribeye onto the right. That'll give it a nice smoked flavor. Alright, so we'll let this guy sit for probably the next 5 minutes and then we'll check on it. we're back in the kitchen, getting a little bit chilly outside tonight, so I figured we'd have to bring this guy inside and see how we did. I checked it, our internal temperature came in at about 135. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? That thing is perfect. Oh my God. Wow. That is unbelievable. That is simply amazing. Absolutely amazing. If you like what you see, guys, please click the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little bell thing to see what we're cooking next. I'm gonna have some more. Wow. Boy, is that good. Wow. Amazing.